Did you know that dreaming about a baby is not just a simple dream? It could be a direct call to your heart and maybe even a message from God. In the Bible, children are living promises and carriers of blessing. These kinds of dreams don't happen by chance. It may be that heaven is preparing your spirit for something new, a purpose, a project, or a special mission that is about to be born. Now think about this. What if that baby isn't just a symbol? What if it's a real soul trying to enter your life, sent from above? Or maybe it represents a seed that God has planted.